Turn up the music 'cause the song just came on. Turn up the music if they try to turn us down. Turn up the music, can I hear it till the speakers blow? Turn up the music, fill your cup.
Hi, we're Group 7, and my name is Mark Morkos, and my major is computer engineering.
Hi, I'm Sally Weinstein, and my major is biomedical engineering.
Hi, I'm Pablo Mena. My major is electrical engineering.
I'm Mario Millan. My major is computer engineering.
I'm Juan Menendez. My major is computer engineering.
Alright, so I'm going to be discussing our magnetic motor for Team 7. The problem statement that we got from Mr. Arellano is to create a motor that only uses magnetic propulsion to turn another DC motor and be able to make some kind of measurable voltage. We knew from the very start that it is impossible to create a magnetic motor with only magnetic propulsion, and it's very simple, the reasoning. When you have motors, or when you have magnets that are pushing against each other, let's say that this coil was a magnet. As this magnet approaches, or as this magnet pushes away from it, yes, it's going to push away from the coil for a second, but as this magnet approaches, it's going to also push against the coil. So what you're going to have is you're just going to have the motor stop in one spot. So what we tried to do was we tried to make a demonstration of a way to show the flaw of the magnetic motor. So what we wanted to do was connect a battery to it, and what we have is a Hall effect sensor. Now, Hall effect sensor, it lets voltage pass through it when it detects a magnetic field in front of it. So what it would do is, when there's no magnet in front of it, this coil is turned off. As this magnet gets in front of it, the coil gets turned on, and the magnet is pushed this way. As the magnet leaves that field, then it turns the coil back off. It lets this magnet pass by. It turns on, off, and it keeps doing that over and over again. It's not going to create a fast motor, but it will at least keep it spinning. Unfortunately, our knowledge of circuits and power is very limited, so we're having trouble connecting all the different components. We tried different things, but we've burned out some components, and we're unable to make it work. So we're pretty confident that this design will work with proper planning, but the initial thought of creating a magnetic motor with only magnets is impossible.